Hello food lovers, welcome back to your very own Sohini's kitchen. Today I'm here with a very tasty, easy and quick recipe. This recipe is made with eggs. It is known as the Mughlai Egg Curry. So what are we waiting for? Let's check out the recipe. Time for some quick and easy tips. How to peel eggs perfectly. Boil the eggs and let them cool down in the same water. Do not take them out until they have cooled down completely and you're ready to peel them. Then apply little pressure on the walls of the eggs and you'll see the shell coming off so easily without causing any damage to the skin. I used fresh oil to cook the gravy, but you can very well use the oil in which you fried the eggs for making the gravy for this egg curry. The Mughlai Egg Curry is now ready. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. Please leave your valuable feedback and suggestions. I will love to read them all. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video with another exciting recipe. Till then, enjoy this Mughlai Egg Curry with your family and friends.